Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Today I'm gonna show you how I deep condition my hair using my favorite conditioner. So you don't have to go out there and buy a deep conditioner or anything. You're just gonna be using what you have at home. And I'm gonna keep this short and simple. So let's get started.
So I'm starting with freshly washed hair as usual, and I washed my hair using the black soap shampoo from Shea Moisture, my favorite. And my hair is already sectioned in 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. All you're gonna need here is 2 products: your favorite conditioner, I'm using Tea Tree Tingle from Trader Joe's, and an oil, and I'm using vitamin E oil. You're also gonna need a bowl to mix up everything. So you put as much conditioner as you need, and you're gonna add about this much oil, and you mix everything up together. Once it has about this consistency, you're gonna go ahead and start applying the conditioner to your hair. So I like to start working from the back to the front. I put a generous amount of conditioner onto my hair, and you coat all your strands, so you gotta massage it through your hair. Deep conditioning your hair is so good for you. Trust me, if you do this at least once every 2 weeks, your hair will thank you forever. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the next section here. Once you're done coating all your hair with the conditioner, then it's ready to be put away. And if, like me, you don't have a plastic cap, you can use a plastic bag. It works just as fine. So you're gonna cover your whole head with the plastic bag, whatever you have in hand. I typically let this sit in my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. And once you're done, you rinse your hair out with cold water, and you gotta have that shrinkage. That's how you know it worked. Alright guys, I hope you like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.